Hello America, I'm George Fridge, and this is my brother.
Charlie Fridge. And we love refrigerator machines so much that we legally changed our last name to Fridge.
Now that's the dedication you can get when you work with the Fridge Brothers at Fridge Brothers Incorporated. Fridge Brothers. Alright, now Charlie, why don't you tell the folks at home what we have right here?
Well, this is one of my favorite models. I can tell you, this thing's been selling like hotcakes. Hotcakes.
Hotcakes. We got some syrup here, some good old Butterrich Maples Canadian syrup. Right here to drizzle right on this bad boy here.
Oh,
Sweeten.
now that's what I
Just
call
sweeten the deal. $2.99, no down payment,
Deal.
no hassle, no credit.
Who the hell are you guys? What are you doing here?
Shit, get out!
Come on, what the hell? What is on the fridge? Oh, come on!